In a bustling city lived a young woman named Arya. Arya had always been captivated by the world of entrepreneurship and innovation. She believed that anyone could create positive change if they were willing to take bold steps and embrace challenges. Arya's own journey began when she noticed a gap in her community's access to eco-friendly products. Determined to make a difference, she started researching sustainable alternatives and connected with local artisans who shared her vision. Despite having limited resources, Arya decided to launch her own line of environmentally conscious products. With unwavering determination, Arya documented her entrepreneurial adventure on her YouTube channel. She shared her highs and lows, the hurdles she faced, and the small victories that kept her going. Her genuine enthusiasm and resilience resonated with viewers, attracting a growing audience of aspiring changemakers. As Arya's business expanded, so did her impact. She began collaborating with NGOs and organizing community events centered around sustainability. Her YouTube channel became a platform not just for showcasing her products, but for inspiring others to take action in their own communities. One day, a major news outlet took notice of Arya's work and invited her for an interview. The exposure brought her mission to an even larger audience, leading to increased support for her business and initiatives. Arya's journey from a passionate individual to a recognized advocate for sustainability was an embodiment of the idea that one person's determination can spark a movement. Through her YouTube channel, Arya continued to share her story and the stories of others who were making a positive impact. She turned her platform into a source of inspiration, offering practical advice, motivational anecdotes, and a community of like-minded individuals. Arya's journey reminds us that change begins with a single step, and that every obstacle is an opportunity for growth. Her YouTube channel became a hub for those who dared to dream, encouraging them to become trailblazers in their own right and create a better world for future generations.
Once upon a time, in a land of immense beauty and mystique, 3 kingdoms existed side by side: the prosperous kingdom of Avalora, the fierce kingdom of Drakmor, and the mystical kingdom of Eldoria. Each kingdom had its unique strengths and virtues, making the realm a place of balance and harmony. For generations, these kingdoms coexisted peacefully, bound by a sacred pact known as the Trilateral Accord. This accord ensured mutual defense, trade, and cultural exchange, fostering a sense of unity among the kingdom's people. However, as the years passed, greed and ambition festered in the hearts of some rulers. King Leoric of Drakmor, lured by the power of the legendary Crystal of Dominion, yearned to control the realm entirely. In secret, he sought alliances with dark forces to overthrow the Trilateral Accord and claim the other kingdoms as his own. In the kingdom of Avalora, King Reynard, wise and vigilant, sensed the growing threat. He dispatched his loyal knight, Sir Elowin, on a quest to uncover the truth. Simultaneously, the mysterious Eldorian seer, Lady Seraphina, received visions of the impending doom. She embarked on her own journey to prevent catastrophe. As fate would have it, Sir Elowin and Lady Seraphina crossed paths in the ancient Whispering Forest. Recognizing their shared purpose, they joined forces to thwart King Leoric's treacherous plot. Along their journey, they faced trials that tested their courage, wit, and unity. Their journey led them to unexpected alliances. The gentle healers of Eldoria, renowned for their wisdom and magical abilities, stood ready to aid their cause. With unity among the kingdom's people, the trio prepared to confront King Leoric's dark alliance head-on. The final showdown took place in the shadow of the Crystal of Dominion, its power threatening to consume all. King Leoric's true intentions were laid bare as he attempted to harness the crystal's might for himself. A fierce battle ensued, and alliances were tested as King Reynard led his armies to join the fight. In the midst of chaos, a surprising revelation came to light. King Leoric's son, Prince Kaelin, had secretly been working against his father's machinations. He had witnessed the suffering caused by ambition and yearned to break the cycle. With newfound determination, Prince Kaelin confronted his father, urging him to choose redemption over power. Torn between his desire for power and his love for his son, King Leoric faced an inner struggle. In a climactic moment, he shattered the Crystal of Dominion, releasing its hold over him. With tears in his eyes, he embraced Prince Kaelin, acknowledging the darkness that had consumed him. In the aftermath of the battle, the kingdoms united to rebuild and heal. King Leoric, now humbled and changed, worked alongside his fellow rulers to restore the Trilateral Accord. The kingdoms learned that unity was their greatest strength, and they vowed to honor their shared history and forge a brighter future. In a realm where the line between light and shadow blurred, the land of Eldoria faced an imminent threat. The malevolent warlock, Zephyrus, sought to plunge the world into eternal darkness by harnessing the power of the Abyssal Blade, an artifact forged in the heart of the abyss itself. This blade was said to hold the power to consume all light and life. As Zephyrus's dark forces swept across the land, the people of Eldoria found hope in the form of the Midnight Sentinel, a lone warrior who emerged from the shadows, wrapped in a cloak of obsidian and armed with twin blades of pure starlight. The Sentinel's true identity remained shrouded in mystery. Asterisk. Chapter 1. The Rise of the Midnight Sentinel. In the quiet village of Sarenholm, a young blacksmith named Kalen discovered the first clue about the Sentinel's existence. His forge blazed with the secrets of his ancestors, and in an ancient book, he found references to the Sentinel and the Abyssal Blade. This discovery ignited a fire in Kalen's heart, and he vowed to uncover the Sentinel's true purpose. Chapter 2. The journey begins. Kalen embarked on a perilous journey, determined to find the Midnight Sentinel and thwart Zephyrus's dark ambitions. Along the way, he encountered a diverse group of allies. Thalia, a skilled archer with a keen eye. Draven, a battle-hardened mage with a hidden past. And Fenrir, a loyal wolf companion whose instincts were finely attuned to the balance of light and darkness. Chapter 3. Unraveling Prophecies. The group unraveled ancient prophecies that spoke of a chosen hero wielding the Blade of Shadows, the only weapon capable of countering the Abyssal Blade. They faced trials and tribulations that tested their loyalty and courage. Chapter 4. The Midnight Sentinel Revealed. In a climactic battle against Zephyrus's dark forces, the Midnight Sentinel revealed themselves as Kalen, the young blacksmith. Empowered by the wisdom of the ancients, he took up the Blade of Shadows, its starlight blades merging into one. With the strength of the united group, Kalen confronted Zephyrus. Chapter 5. The Final Battle. The battle raged on, a storm of light and darkness clashing in epic proportions. Kalen, now the Midnight Sentinel, and Zephyrus dueled on the edge of the abyss, where the fate of Eldoria hung in the balance. It was a fight that would determine whether the world would fall into eternal darkness or if the light of hope would prevail.